Imagine yourself in this 2006 Chevrolet Silverado 1500. If you are looking for an automobile with great features, look no further. This vehicle comes with a reliable 6-cylinder engine, connected to a smooth shifting automatic transmission. Some of the top features included with this vehicle are 4 doors, 4-wheel ABS brakes, air conditioning, automatic transmission, bed length, 78.6, clock, in-radio display, daytime running lights, dusk sensing headlights, front air conditioning zones, dual and front seat type, split bench. This car won't be available much longer. Call now to schedule a test drive at our dealership.